This is the material and apparatus that we need, which is yeast, cup, teaspoon, warm water and sugar. Firstly, put 1 teaspoon of yeast into the cup. Next, put 2 teaspoons of sugar into the cup. And put 1.5 cup of warm water. Then mix it. Then leave the culture for 24 hours in the room temperature. This is the result after 24 hours. We measure the tissue before the filtration and the reading is 1 gram. After that, we filter the culture on tissue. And let it dry. Lastly, we measure the culture and the reading is 18 gram.
Today, I want to do the experiment 3. First, I have warm water. Second is glass cup. Third is yeast. Fourth is teaspoon. By using the measuring spoon, and then this is sealing to measure the 1/4 warm water equal to 15 ml, and this is sugar. First of all, cut the packing of yeast, and then I take the teaspoon to take the yeast, 1 teaspoon of yeast. After that, I put it into the glass cup. Then I take the syringe, and then I take the warm water, 15 ml, 50 ml, and then I put the warm water 15 ml into the glass cup. Then I take the sugar and teaspoon to take the sugar 2 teaspoon into the glass cup. After that, I mix it. Then I let it 24 hours to see the result. In a room temperature. This is the result of the kultur after 24 hours in the room temperature. The smell have a soft smell, have a blood, and have a bubble too. Now I take the kitchen towel, then I measure the kitchen towel into the kitchen scale. Before the filtration. After that, I take the cool tool and put it into the kitchen towel. And after that, I dry it before I wear it after the filtration. After it dry, I want to wet the kitchen towel that contain the cool tool after it dry. This is a week after dry that contain the cool tool.
For this lab, inoculum preparation was done at home based on available equipments and tools. The equipment and tools includes a small empty glass jar, 1¼ cup of warm water, a small beaker containing about 2 teaspoons of sugar, yeast, weighing scale, and a kitchen towel. First, I took about 1 teaspoon of yeast and poured it into the glass jar along with 1¼ cup of warm water, then added the sugar. The inoculum, or choosing the preferred strain of microorganism, is the most important part of a fermentation process. It was then left to inoculate for 24 hours. After 24 hours, it can be clearly seen that the bubble formation is a lot compared to the first day of the preparation. I then used the kitchen towel to perform filtration. I waited a while for the water to vent through the kitchen towel. The inoculum preparation can basically reduce operation time or fermenting period, and also can ensure consistency of the production. Also, together with that, it can make a fermentation process much easier from the beginning. So, these are the result of weighing the kitchen towel before and after. It can be seen that there is a slight increase in the weight. The result was then recorded in the report.